I remember the Friday now, me there a Bojo. I listen to all it and I watch the big woman them and wine. Yeah. And I say, I build the lyrics in the place and I say, them big woman have the whining skill, whining skill. But I say, girl in Jamaica, I say, it's a omit, whining skill, whining skill. In Jamaica, we have the whining skill, kill. When I go the day now, I switch it around and say, whining skill, girl in Jamaica. I'm big, I put it together and put the tune. The tune just automatically sound like it take over the whole world. That's my first tune. My voice a tune up on dub plate, me and Beagle. Can't go get Stoller when Stoller played on Tarrington Bridge. We put out the tune from me and say, now listen to that tune here. And before we talk about no money and nothing, because I can't even tell him say I sell him a tune.
Yeah.
I'm a new artist, I sell him a tune. And we listen to the tune on the earphone. And the man listen to the tune, whatever selection in my rural play, it stop. The man put on the tune next. And the tune get about 5 forward. Me and Super Beagle. Remember say my first tune I put on the road, you know?
Yeah.